Which cameras are actually good for wedding photography? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the right answers. Today, we're doing just that. Product number 1, Sony Digital Camera. The Sony Digital Camera caught my eye with its stunning 4K video and impressive 64MP photos, all for just $119.99. If you want something budget-friendly that still delivers great quality for your wedding shoots, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 4K resolution means you can capture every moment with clarity, allowing you to zoom in on those emotional reactions from guests or even the intricate details of the wedding decorations. It has a 4-inch touchscreen that makes navigating settings a breeze, and the built-in Wi-Fi allows you to share those photos instantly on social media. Plus, it comes with a 3000 mAh battery, which should last you through most wedding days. Now, some people complained about the autofocus being a bit slow in low-light conditions. Here's the thing though, if you're aware of this limitation and able to plan your shots accordingly, it's not a deal-breaker. It's perfect for outdoor ceremonies or well-lit receptions, where you'll really shine. This is perfect for you if you're a budget-conscious photographer looking for quality shots without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you often shoot in dimly lit venues where fast autofocus is crucial. Overall, you're getting a lot for your money here. Now, if the Sony's autofocus issues worry you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Teclam 8K Digital Camera. Next up is the Teclam 8K Digital Camera, priced at $129.99. With its 88MP resolution and 8K video capability, it's hard not to be impressed. If you want high-quality content that stands out, this is worth a serious look. It features a fast autofocus system that locks in on subjects in seconds, so those fleeting moments don't get missed. A 16x digital zoom can help capture those distant reactions during the ceremony. Plus, the 3.2-inch touchscreen simplifies controls, making it user-friendly. Now, some users mention the battery life could be better. Here's the thing, with 2 batteries included, you should have enough power for a full day of shooting, but it does mean carrying a backup just in case. This is perfect for you if you're serious about capturing high-quality video and images at weddings. Skip this one if you don't want to deal with swapping batteries during the event. The value here is pretty solid for the features you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want versatility. Product number 3, Toberto 8K Digital Camera. The Toberto 8K Digital Camera is another strong contender at $129.99. With an 88MP resolution and dual lens setup, it offers a lot for wedding photographers. If you're looking for flexibility and excellent quality, this is worth a serious look. What stands out here is the dual lens feature, allowing you to switch between lenses for different angles. The 16x zoom allows for close-ups without losing detail, and the built-in Wi-Fi makes sharing those sweet moments on social media a breeze. Now, some users noted that the autofocus can struggle in very low light. Here's the thing though, it's still a solid option for well-lit ceremonies. Just be prepared to adjust your settings if you're moving into darker venues later in the evening. This is perfect for you if you want a camera that can adapt to different shooting conditions at weddings. Skip this one if low-light performance is a top priority for you, but for the price, it offers great features. Now, if the autofocus issues concern you, let's check out a classic option next. Product number 4, Canon EOS Rebel T7. Next, we have the Canon EOS Rebel T7, priced at $719.99. This is a DSLR that's known for its reliability and quality. If you want something that professional photographers trust, this is worth a serious look. It also has built-in Wi-Fi, making it easy to share images quickly after the event. The included double zoom kit offers versatility for various photography needs during a wedding. Now, some people find the camera a bit heavy for all-day use. Here's the thing, while it might take some getting used to, the image quality it produces can definitely outweigh the weight, especially if you're looking for professional-grade photos. This is perfect for you if you're a professional or serious enthusiast looking for high-quality results. Skip this one if you want something lightweight and compact for casual use, but it's a solid investment for those who want to excel in wedding photography. Alright, that was a classic choice. But the last option on this list might just be the best for budget-conscious pros. Product number 5, Flyfrost 8K Digital Camera. Finally, we have the Flyfrost 8K Digital Camera, also priced at $129.99. This camera combines advanced features with a user-friendly design. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality, this is worth a serious look. The anti-shake technology ensures smooth videos during those lively reception moments, while the dual lens functionality is fantastic for capturing both selfies and group shots. Plus, the 3.2-inch touchscreen is super intuitive, making it accessible for all skill levels. Now, some users do mention that the build quality feels a bit plastic. Why? Here's the thing. While it may not feel as premium as others, the image quality and features it offers are still impressive for the price. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out in wedding photography and want a solid camera without spending too much. Skip this one if you prefer a more durable build and are willing to invest more. But honestly, for under $130, it's a great deal for what you get. So to recap, the Sanin offers great value for budget-conscious buyers, the Teclam dazzles with its 8K capabilities, the Toberto is flexible and user-friendly, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is a trusted classic for professionals, and the Flyfrost delivers impressive features at a budget price. Each camera has its strengths, so consider your specific needs and shooting style before you decide.